Hello everyone and welcome back to Math Olympiad problem solving series. So today we are going to solve a very important sum on algebra. Now what to find? Find the locus of points x comma y. So locus means, I think you all know, locus means path of the moving particle, for which x cube plus y cube plus 3xy is equals to how much? 1. So what we'll do, first we have to bring this minus 1 on the left hand side. Then this can be written like this: x cube plus y cube. This minus 1 we can write minus 1 whole cube. Okay, and this last term we can write 3 into x into then minus 1, so that again minus minus it will become plus. Now why I am writing it like this? Because there is one inequality that we are going to use here. We know that if x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, then the inequality is like this: x plus y plus z, and then x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz, and then what? Minus zx. So this particular identity we are going to use here. So in our case it will be x plus y, then z is minus 1, then x square plus y square plus z square, z is minus 1, so it will become 1, then minus xy minus yz, means suppose x in y into z, y into minus 1, and then x into minus 1, so minus minus it will become plus, is equals to how much? 0. Okay, after that x plus y minus 1, let us multiply it by 1/2, so that it will become 2x square plus 2y square, then 2 minus 2xy plus twice x plus twice y is equals to how much? 0. Okay, this implies, let us bring this half outside, or we can cancel the half, because on the right hand side we have 0, so the next line will cancel it. Now this is important. You see, 2x square plus 2y square plus 2, can we rearrange all the term like this? X square plus y square minus 2xy, and then x square plus twice x plus 1, and then y square plus twice y plus 1 is equals to 0. Now if you check it, x square plus x square is 2x square, y square plus y square is 2y square, then 1 plus 1 is 2. So when we check all the term, then exactly this one will get. Okay, so since the right hand side is 0, let us cancel half. So what we have? We have x plus y minus 1, and then the remaining term, no, we can write like this: x plus y whole square, x plus 1 whole square, y plus 1 whole square is equals to how much? 0. Now if you compare both sides, then what will get? One term will get x plus y minus 1 equal to 0, and another one will get like this: x plus y square, x plus 1 whole square, and then y plus 1 whole square equals to 0. Now this is of the form a square plus b square plus c square equals to 0. This will be only possible if x plus y equal to 0, x plus 1 equal to 0, and then y plus 1 equals to how much? 0. Okay, sorry, one more mistake I made. This will be minus. Okay, minus. So what will get? X equal to y. From here x equal to minus 1, y equals to how much? Minus 1. So see, x equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 1. So this is satisfying. So what we have to find? We have to find the value of x and y. So our x is minus 1 and y is what? Minus 1. So therefore it follows that the locus consists of the line, I am talking about this line, so this line will be there, consists of the line x plus y minus 1 equal to 0, and what is the point? X comma y, what is the point? It's minus 1 comma minus 1. Okay, so it's very simple, a little bit tricky, but it's very simple. Okay, so I hope you understand the solution. So for such kind of problem, so kindly subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you once again for watching.